The new tunnel construction is part of the 4-track expansion of the 182-kilometer connection between Karlsruhe and Basel, which will eliminate a bottleneck in national and international railway traffic. In Rastatt, the new high-speed tracks will be constructed under the town in 2 single-track tunnel tubes. The resultant reduction in noise and improved services in local transport will benefit the local population enormously. The 2 tubes each have a length of 4,270 meters, the second largest tunnel construction in the extended and new line. Geological examinations conducted in advance of construction revealed that there is mainly medium-dense to dense gravel and sand in the area of the town of Rastatt, deposited there in the Tertiary and Quaternary periods as a result of the lowering of the Upper Rhine Valley. In addition, the entire tunnel section is located below the groundwater level. Therefore, 2 tunnel drilling machines called TBMs are being used to excavate the 2 tunnels. These can withstand water pressure up to 15 bar. These structurally identical machines of the type Mikschild have been specially developed and designed by the company Herrenknecht for the tunnel construction project in Rastatt. All parts and system components have been adjusted to the hydrological and geological conditions found in the area of the town of Rastatt. Tunnel drilling machines of the type Mikschild use a shield in the rear area which the tunnel is constructed in segments. In the front area, the upcoming soil and groundwater are supported. The special feature of this machine is its 2-part excavation chamber. A baffle separates the front area with the cutting wheel from the rear area with a compressed air cushion and the conveyor circuit. To ensure smooth operation during the 1.5-year tunnel construction phase, 24 hours, 7 days a week, the 2 machines will be assembled and tested on the premises of the company Herrenknecht in Schwanau before delivery. The machines then have to be completely dismantled, loaded, and transported to Rastatt for use at the building site. The individual parts are transported to the building site by truck. A large number of components which weigh many tons can only be transported on heavy goods vehicles with maximum safety precautions ensured. After being delivered to the construction field near Uertigheim, the components are unloaded and prepared for assembly. The 2 tunnel drilling machines are then reassembled with a temporal offset of 4 months in the starting shaft. After the shield, tubing erector, and shield tail have been assembled, the 3 trailing elements are added. 15 staff complete 12,000 assembly hours for each machine round the clock. Assembling the cutting wheel poses a particular challenge. The wheel has a diameter of 11 meters and weighs 172 tons. It is the heaviest component and can only be lowered and assembled in front of the TVM with the aid of 2 special cranes. Precision work which requires utmost concentration and an experienced eye. The tunnel drilling machines used in Rastatt can be divided into 3 sections with different tasks. Our machines for loose rock can be subdivided into the following main assemblies. At the front is the shield with a cutting wheel. In the rear area is the shield tail, which provides protection for construction of the tunnel. And all you see after this are the trailing elements. These include mobile scaffolding, which house the installations required for hydraulics and electrics, and a mobile station in which all material required for tunnel drilling is handled. As soon as the power lines have been installed, the test run can start. With an output of 4,500 kilowatts, excavation of the total cross-section of a tunnel tube of 95 square meters is then removed in just 1 working process. And the 25th of May marks the day of the official ceremony at which tapping of the tunnel tube east is celebrated, triggering the starting signal for the first TBM.
Heute, meine Damen und Herren,
Today, ladies and gentlemen, marks the official start to construction work on the third largest tunnel on the expanded and newly constructed line from Karlsruhe to Basel.
Rastatter Tunnel.
The Rastatt tunnel is a significant milestone on the track to achieve our great objective, namely, to complete four-track expansion of the Rheintalbahn.
Viergleisigen Ausbau der Rheintalbahn.
Da tragen alle bei, die tatkräftig an der
I would like to thank everyone who has contributed to the realization of this project and those actively working on the execution of construction work.
allen Beteiligten.
I wish all those involved in the project every success, God's blessing, and safe, accident-free work. Good luck to all those carrying out this work.
Die jetzt die Arbeit machen.
From now on, the 95-meter-long and 1,750-ton heavy machine will be eating its way into the underground, day for day, 24 hours, and will underpass the town of Rastatt. At an average speed of 13 meters per day, the TVM first underpasses the Federbach lowland, then the town area of Rastatt, and will emerge back into daylight in the area of Niederbühl. At the end of September 2016, the second tunnel drilling machine will follow. And in autumn 2017, drilling work will be completed with the breakthrough of the West Tube in the south of Rastatt. By then, the two TVMs will have built in approximately 30,000 lining segments. And at the same time, in the separation plant on the construction field north, around 710,000 cubic meters of excavated mass will have been recycled for further use. On completion of structural work in mid-2018, interior development will commence, and in 2022, this state-of-the-art Rastatt tunnel will be open for traffic. But today, there are still work trains moving along provisional tracks of the emerging tunnel, supplying the tunnel drilling machines with material required.